Hi guys, welcome back to this new video. Today I'm going to show you how you can make a bouncing ball animation using Python. First we're importing the libraries and initializing Pygame. Then we will write the screen settings, the width and the height. And then this line will set the title of the game window to bouncing ball animation. Then we write a function random color that picks a random color with variables between 50 and 255. So it's like a more bright color. And then the background color is set to 2020, so it's a more dark color, and the ball color will be a random color. And if you want to change these colors or settings, you can just change these variables. Then we'll write the ball settings. First, the ball position will be at the start of the game, will be at the middle of the screen. And then the radius is 30, so it's a small ball. And then the speed will be 4x4. Then we will add a clock, so later we can set the frame rate. Now we can write the main loop. This is what keeps our program running continuously until we close it. So first we start with some event handling. So if you want to quit the game, then running will be false. So then you exit the main loop. Next we update the ball's position. Ball position 0 and ball position 1 represent the x and y values of the ball. Each frame we adjust these coordinates by ball speed 0 and ball speed 1, which makes the ball move on the screen. We want the ball to bounce when it hits the edges of the screen, so we can check for that here. If the ball's x or y position goes too far left, right, up, or down, we reverse its direction. This makes the ball look like the ball is bouncing. Every time the ball bounces, it also changes color to a new random color, using the random color function. Then we will draw everything on the screen. First we fill the screen with a background color to erase the previous frame. Then we draw the ball as its updated position with its new color. Then the line Pygame display flip is actually what's showing these updates on the screen, creating an animation effect. Finally, we set the frame rate to 60 frames per second. This keeps the animation smooth and helps control the game's speed. And then when you close the game window, running becomes false and we exit the main loop. Now let's run the game. We can see that the ball's position starts in the middle of the screen. And the title of this window is Bouncing Ball Animation, like we wrote in the beginning of our code. And every time the ball hits any edge, the ball changes color. So this is your animation. I hope you enjoyed this video, and please leave a like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this.